Talk about a healthy breakfast. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare oatmeal for breakfast, and we're gonna start right now. So into a sufuria or into a cooking pot, you're going to be adding 1 glass jar of water. This is approximately 500 ml of water. And then you're gonna need of course you're gonna need oats, and we're going to be using approximately 1 cup of oatmeal. Add this into the water. And place this over medium heat. Place this over medium heat and give it a little bit of stir so that everything is well mixed. So let it sit in the fire till it boils and becomes thick. Exactly, now it's like thick. And when it is like this, you can either add milk to sweeten it, as in you can add milk to sweeten it, or you can also add milk to make it a little bit lighter in case it is too thick for you. So for that recipe you can add you can add half a cup of milk. Give it a little bit of stir and let it boil again. When it has boiled, it is ready to serve. So you can serve with bananas, or you can serve it with nuts, or you can use some honey. I prefer mine served with the dry fruits and some bananas. I'm going to show you how it looks at the end. So the recipe that I just gave you is enough to serve 2 bowls. So that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you on my next video. In case you're interested in learning how to prepare some breakfast recipe, be sure to click on the playlist on your right and you'll get all the recipes that I have uploaded onto this channel right over there. So till next time, bye.